Sumsanji tam jeji ngor ridon jingurun jazo chabdo kadri tsongpa meba balde loma dambe shabjindu chena meba lango rabdu tute gosum guba chenpo cha sashin jabsu chivo jeva dan sara dam jedun rawa meba jesu sondu solo 니메년데 미신게 기부천보 샤지 세상세 밤에워트 야세남지 닝제 뉴구 레통바 차나베모 제레세다 디틸레랑소 ял와 카르만바 다소로반 남지 창습 남지 셔럽jansen 텔라드 셰자베스기 창월 남양버르제데 텔라 강센버르셰비 추지림발레 통마르 쳬센발레냐 전년배 솔조체 텔레장 꾸론당 근주니레 도마 꾸론 텔라양 삼바자체와 상주 승지 꾸론당 탑자체와 상왕 아디 꾸론니 태양도 주된주 치만배번에 지게 송바신 레버살답 데셈버슈 갑즈바바 셈버체베 춘니 만니 동죽단 대비 되니 초가 되니 시월 차발라 토마라 원로 무시 죽제 다 사제 숨내양 예와 차발레 토망 원로 비저베 초가 된저 이 고름네 시월 차발라 하나수 만니 동죽 기값수 다 제당 야월루기 쇼가디 뭐시 마네 일도단 대비 남기 열대 이나양 나라수 택바첨보 나단 대비 냠낸 시gen지 힘바 준진도 체대 대치르나 되니 오 토마 되니 반덴자기 라마르보체 스네가니 마 우주낭기여로 대중쟁이 전에 토마르 반덴자기 라마르보체 서비갑수 빨세드 가르치고서도 로아 근데 수직라 덴바직라 항상 수일 덴데시 땡게도 오 다니 자기 라마 세고이 중쟁 가르래도 오 된졸라 되니 마치 시과이나 빨된 자베 라마름부체 스두와수 빨다 덴바 스두와 치당 빨라 고아 망보레 아이 이나양 단단가라수 되니 지부택방 아기 냠니 치긴기 왕도 쳇나 Paldan Demba Sedukapsu Dribu Dorje Changi Gombang La Gobar Nube Yundengi Paldan Demba Tendri Teni O Kansa Sushi Re Sebaina Tani Marasuki Zawe Lama Te Ta Zawe Lama Tela Yang Teni O Delchu Dang Teni Namsha Mamborete Tenla Marasu O Semgi Rangshin Semgi Chuni Yene Yebi Shepa Chacha Chembo Ti Ngotobar Nangin Lama Kangimba Tela Teyang Doi Lamda Ngagi Lam Ni Chede Mixil Tanda Ngaki Lamni Teni Nganasu Tap Jachewa Sawa Ngaki Teni Lamte Perna Sulchundrumegi Yunang Songwa Nangshin Rete Tuanjig Nayang Mamondang Tamang Kawan Mebadang Wangbonubo Wangshebe Ngaki Tekba Kebara Pa Songwa Nangshin Ki Teni Tendregi Teni Gyatchenpo, 탑 망보기 권네 만화수 도지 창지 공방 라 티버즈기 창주 람킨 라마 호텔라더니 다 네캅기 간주 짜벨라마 아니 지우 마톱나 양 되니 지우디 줄라밍 땅네 짜벨라마 세네던 타니 샤기요레 라와 오 되니 당 자벨라마 오마티 남식 나라수 춘이 문도 요르 와 얘네 여비 셰파데 데니 찾아신 무슨 남면도 좁아신 무슨 남면도 오마신 무슨 남면도 도이 왕도 오다 가르스나 대 남식 나라수 또방 문도 요르 다 채나 데니 덴르기 데니 다 semgi chuni ngojokin namatela rangshingi bezo mebe tone tani ngo jikanso gore sanje ngogi dushiji rowa joma mai ba juminji mogu o tendeshi kebe tse tani zabe lama se la tondeshi jogru yore palden zabe lama rinpoche sedugapso ta delayang shi lam diwu chasang changdegi yore 시 ngaran suki 차지하신 보스나면도 내로 예시 다 예시 뒤에 가서 사기 간인 사상기 예시다 납디기래 이나양 예시 서두갑수 다 델수디 배메시기다 개발 심보래 탑기고니 모트수디 개발 심보래 게로라 소바 단디게네 바서버 만세웨기 유다 유진이고는 어째 남기요래 이디 인직다 시에스디 유진지 로와테 똑바로 제베데 온도 똑바로 제베기더니 셰바지다 어떻게 요래때 가나수 타말베 셰바 로와 시네로 가임버데 예도만에 랑제스 요바텔라 균 관계장 말레바 로와 연행 관계장 되니 유르메바 살도 뜨드메바 딘데기 시 네루 똑바로 제발라 술라라레스나 라마 팔단덴비기 라마 자와던 주벨 라마나니 갑수바바 자벨 라마 딘데기 가라수 예니 예베 셰바 차저신보 디 추니 다 가임바티 모토 나와르저기 딘데기 라마테 완전자벨 라마 림보체 델라카스 림보체 세더니 맹다나 말에 림보체기 최단 숭배준 진기 빼 림보체다 자르네 로와 림보체세도 림보체 강시라 누르 림보체 강시라 지더르 되바신 소바탑나 테더르 가라수 디부 톱기 예배 준진기 림보체 빼이고네 녀가와 유이고네 녀가와 당지고네 녀가와 준진기 아니 림보체에서 그래 다 발덴자벨 라마 림보체 다키치오르 페메덴슈라세 타디 시 제 람기 다 림발라 자르베 갑수 Nganasu lam nyamsu lembe kapsu tunshi tuntu lakbardu tunshi lambe nanjo sen samegi kendigi yore tunshi la nima insha chukchik la tunshi la nyungta la nanjo chöngogu yore nanjo chönba la lakbardu riunga ki tekba nyamnen shigin yin chunche o tsawa sumle thoma nyamnen di lambe nanjo shadigi yore 다 디 라멘 난주 냠레 담빈 나서 여발레 값스 바바 6 다기 찌우르 빼면 된쇼 라세 칙칙이 라멘 난주 냠네 차장 되나 수디기요레 라멘 난주 이 냠레 오고 짬로니 송데 오 저바 짬로 셈제 ngö시 다 tugi seya la soba, soldeb la soba, teni dikdip chaya, sonam sosa, teni tendela teni tar, teni jivu, lama dorje shangi gomang undu seya chazang chekdina changdagi yore. Ngana sugi chiwor la, dagi chiwor peme denshuk la ser wa rete, chiwor peme den, pema di korwe ki patna damle kyekyang damgi kyunji magoba tar tani korwa le yokyang korwe ki kyunji yebeyam kyunji magoba ki ta dendegi yonde sungshodo jarne dendegi tani kanshu denji ki tengdu gom sene tsiksina dendere rete tuyonla nganasu tu다도 튠시 튠툭 너나 인샤 툭직 선남면도 인생 투툭도 라마 만제 버치 세기요레 김진 카레 라마 메베 콩롤나 상계시제 명양 메 세기요레 대가 나시 투몬 돌라 사모땅바 이나 양 라마 상제 라마 초 대신 라마 견딘데 군지 제볼 라마 인 송바레 라마 디가 체 민다 망보레 lama se chendi mixe ge nga dan dewa zo nga dan dewa ji rede doji wangdu yongsu jimba yongzin gewe shini la sobeki tyenjik la sin mindawa dorna anansu migewegi lam migewegi chopa migewegi tani samlo 소수 도나 tani 용수 짐바 게베시니 침보 대암 라만 대기 람 뜨낭제 맹아 뜨낭 랍자 깹낭 추낭 티낭 간다리안 탑 요구 짜루기 토네 디 네팔레 용수 진고구요레 디 네베 쇼소 항롱와 제고구요레 디 간대신 용기에서나 인생 두두두 라마 마제바 소바탑 라민 난줄라 쩌나 다 디탑지고네 알아수 고숨 밤에 왕도 마셔로 바당 되니 미게베 초수 먼저 봐 다니 탑매도 중와 냠내 매도 중와 로와 라민 난줄이 토네 용기에 줌진치 나기 찌우로 빼면 된쇼 라 스틱디기 다 라면난 주냠네 차창와지 되난 땡기요래 드링기 주든 대자모 손남제 함제 제마nye nomde nyemben danom babje lejegan dombaye zemben zolen do warayo paying homage to Shakyamuni Buddha and Amitabha Buddha, whose manifestation, Buddha of loving kindness and compassion, Chenrezig, whose emanations, Yawakamaba, and our liberator, our guide towards the enlightenment, Guru Sheydrubling Rinpoche, After paying homage to them, I'd like to remind you to cultivate bodhicitta or Vajrayana related motivations and perceptions prior to engage into these Dharma teachings. So what we are having today is the practice that we are doing each and every day during this Dhung Drub. That is the main teaching. During the Dhung Drub, the very first session we start with paying homage to Guru, the stanzas, the verses followed by Pangden Tsawe Lama Rinpoche, the glory Guru, the root Guru. So these verses, why we used very in the beginning or the very first of the practice, it's very important to understand the reason, the meaning behind of it. Otherwise, those who do not have any understanding or do not know the fact, they might criticize that you are not Buddhist, you are not following Buddhism, rather you are following Lamaism. You might get this question, or you might get this kind of like scold. Someone might scold you. So it's important that you must understand and able to answer, make it clear. The glory Guru, root Guru, who is like precious jewels, precious diamond, precious one, meaning the glory here means the one who could help us to liberate from this samsara, this existence, and bring us to the state of Vajradhara. Who has this knowledge? Not a single knowledge, various knowledges, methods, skillful means. And that Guru teaches us, give us Dharma, teaching, with instructions, advices based on the past Buddhas. Past Buddha is gone. We have never met. We didn't get chance to meet. We didn't get chance to listen Dharma. That opportunity is gone. We didn't have enough merits to meet and receive all these Dharma, cycle of Dharmas. And future Buddha is not yet came in this world. Therefore, we have no chance to meet again, no chance to receive Dharma. Present Shakyamuni Buddha also came into this world more than 2,500 years ago. So, now, from whom we could receive the three times Buddha's teachings? Guru. Therefore, that's the reason before Buddha we put Guru. So, we are not Lamaism, we are in fact Buddhism. And Buddhism, based on Vajrayana Buddhism, without Lama, we have no any opportunity to receive any teachings or benefit us from any different sources. So, Lama, who have these capacities, these knowledges, who show us our innate nature, Mahamudra nature, our awareness, at the moment, sentient being consciousness. That consciousness, in fact, he who pointed out the reality of this innate nature is, in fact, awareness. So, the name is just giving root Guru because through these introducing to you, through these introducing, and you kind of like familiarize these through many methods, practices, eventually the result would be one would recognize one recognizes the true nature of one's mind, one's consciousness, that is no different than enlightened Buddha's wisdom, awareness. Once one recognizes this reality, he who would attain the state of liberation, state of Vajradhara, state of Buddhahood, then the root guru naturally is, without any force, without any difficulty, one sees the one who introduces, shows our nature. That guru we would able to see not different than Vajradhara, not different than Buddha, enlightened. In fact, root guru trump, the name of root guru, the bond of root guru is would come to that point. In fact, indeed. However, we use that result that we are subject to become Vajradhara, become Buddha, and that result during the causal path, during the practice part, we use same name. So root guru, who is like precious jewels. When there isn't any dharma in these eons, this world, beings are dependent on these precious jewels, where you would supplicate, make aspirations and wish, may I have this, may I get this, may I free from that, may I free from this. Eventually these precious jewels grant your wish or your wishes. Same example we use here, Rinpoche, the precious one, who help us to grant our wish to become Buddha, to attain state of enlightenment, the Vajradhara state. Therefore, the precious one. Now the second line, Dagichi or Bimedenshulas, please be seated on these beautiful lotus flower that represent, that symbolize seat, throne. Simply, it means that we never forget, we shouldn't forget our Guru, which consists all the Guru Yoga practice just in this line. With this line, one could able to use all the Guru Yoga's meditation and practice in order to attain the state of Vajradhara, everything. And especially, everyone knows about 4 sessions of Guru Yoga. 4 session Guru Yoga does not mean particularly one Guru Yoga sadhana. In fact, 24 hours divided into 4 sessions, 6 sessions. These two are very common to all the Vajrayana practitioners. Meaning, 24 hours, if we divide into 4 sessions or 6 sessions, that during these 4 sessions, 6 sessions, we always remember our Guru, or we never separate from our Guru. Then, by remembering, having the Guru Yoga practice, the meditations help us to save from our own problems, cause of suffering, miseries. If we do not have Guru within these 4 sessions or 6 sessions in these 24 hours, then more likely from body, all kind of negative actions, from speech, all sort of negative speech is such as lies, harsh word, divisive speech, etc. And then from mind, thought, negative thoughts, harmful thoughts, etc. So these can be prevented with the practice of Guru Yoga. Simply, the second line,
by remembering, by having Guru all the time, who could save us. When we are saved from these body, speech, mind, activities, actions, then we wouldn't face any negative karma result, because we did not plant any negative karmic causes. When there is no cause, there is no effect. So because of this reason, simply one line consists the complete Guru Yoga practice. So it's very important for Vajrayana practitioners. So for our case, Sheydrubling Rinpoche, although his physical form is not with us, no more with us, no more here, but when we have this meditation, this practice, this sadhana, that is limitless, that is beyond from these physical appearances, because the Guru enlightened awareness, wisdom, there is no end, there is no beginning. That can be connected anywhere, everywhere, anywhere. For example, this way, this method. So when we have this practice, this yoke, Guru yoke, then we are able to save ourselves, we are able to receive the blessing, and more importantly, develop our innate nature, the Buddha nature, the awareness, this luminosity nature of mind gradually could develop step by step. So therefore, this line is very important. And so we will continue tomorrow.
Dringi chudin tezamo
Sonam de Namje Chimba Nyenam de Nyemben Ranam Babje de Jigan Jumba Yin Zemben Zolen Do Wara Jo Nanda Resumalanga Chugu Manga Da Yeje Robai Sabsam Najere Jimbe Nyamle Yerme Do Jedel Roje Jo Mane Badme Home. Mother,